In the pharmaceutical industry, the stakes are incredibly high. You are navigating strict regulations, complex scientific data, and fierce market competition. But here is a question we rarely ask ourselves. How are you actually leading your team through all of this? Knowing your leadership style isn't just a self-help exercise. In pharma, it is a business necessity. Today, we are going to break down the 4 primary pharma leadership styles. As we go through them, I want you to look closely and ask yourself, which one is me? Let's start with style number 1, the pace setter. Visualize this: a competitor just launched a generic alternative to your star brand. If your immediate instinct is to rally the field force, set aggressive new targets, and say, "Watch me and follow my lead," you are a pace setter. You drive high-velocity execution and market share gains. But be careful, if you push too hard without building team capability, you risk burnout. Style number 2 is the visionary. Instead of focusing just on this quarter's sales, you are looking 3 to 5 years down the line. You are focused on scientific differentiation and long-term brand building. If you spend your time aligning your team around a grand future medical strategy, you are a visionary. You inspire people, but sometimes you might need a strong operational manager to handle the daily details. Style number 3 is the consensus builder. Pharma requires massive cross-functional harmony. If your strength lies in bringing medical affairs, regulatory, marketing, and sales together into one room and ensuring everyone is aligned and compliant before making a move, this is you. You mitigate risk perfectly in this high-stakes environment. However, ensure that the need for total consensus doesn't slow down your speed to market. Finally, style number 4, the coach. Do you look at your regional managers and see their future potential rather than just their current KPIs? If you spend significant time mentoring, developing talent, and building the next line of executive leaders, you are a coach. You build incredibly loyal, high-capability teams, though it requires patience before you see the commercial results. Now let's do a quick self-audit to help you visualize your style. Think about the last major crisis your team faced. Was it a regulatory hurdle, a missed sales target, or a launch delay? What was your absolute first instinct? Was it to push for immediate results, realign the long-term strategy, gather cross-functional input, or coach your team through their anxiety? Your gut reaction to pressure reveals your default leadership style. Take a moment right now to picture yourself in that scenario. Which quadrant did you naturally step into? The truth is, the most successful executive leaders in pharma aren't locked into just one style. They possess situational flexibility, allowing them to lead effectively in any environment. They know when to pace set for a launch and when to coach for development. So, which style are you? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Pharma Playbook channel for more strategic insights. See you in the next video.